What time we got? Already 7 minutes. Let's jump on over to this. Britain is a word of uncertain origin. The name may have came from the Celtic Britly, painted, applied to the inhabitants because they painted their bodies, or from the Phoenician Barantic, the land of tin, because the Phoenicians visited Cornwall for tin. England is Angle land, the Angles being once of the Teutonic tribes that overran the island. In these modern days, the code word for English is Anglican. Scotland is the land of Scots or wanderers. Ireland may derived its name from Ire, a Spanish chief who has invaded the country early in the Christian era. And I've also read in other literature that Ireland is a modern term. The German Franks who settled among the Celtic tribes of Gaul gave their name to France, themselves deriving it from Franks, a kind of spear which they were armed. Belgium takes its name from the Belgae, who possessed one of the 3 parts of all Gaul in Caesar's time. The Suevi, another tribe mentioned by Caesar, gave their name to Sweden. Holland means marsh ground, and nearly the same meaning is preserved in the present name of the country, Netherlands, the underlands, the lowlands. Denmark is plainly the marsh or territory of the Danes. Austria is Oesteric, the Eastern Empire. Russia is the land of the Barusi, and Rusi is the country of the Rus, a Swedish tribe that overran a part of the land and founded the empire of Novgorod. The name Germany is of uncertain origin. By some, it is supposed to be derived from Deutschgermania, the name of a region in Central Asia. The Germani, a tribe whose name means followers of Buddha, lived in Persia in the days of Herodotus. Switzerland gave its name from Schweiz, the name of the 3 cantons that first asserted their independence of Austria, Spain, Latin Hispania, comes from the Phoenician Spahan, a rabbit, the country in early times abounding in these animals. Portugal is derived by some of the Portus Cale, the ancient name of Oporto. Others find in the word Portus Gallae the gateway of Gaul. Italy comes either from Attalus, an early tribal chief of the country, or from the Greek Attalos, a young bullock. The Greeks called their country Hellas, and themselves Hellenes. But the Romans roamed the lands from the Gracelli, a tribe of Epirus. Turkey means tributary people. Persia, the land of brightness. Arabia, the district of the desert man. Hindustan, fixed dwelling place. Siam, dark land from the color of the soil. In Ceylon, lions. Japan is a corruption of Zipangu, the name of the country as given by Marco Polo. Egypt is unknown. Morocco is the territory of the Moors, a Barbary that of the Barbers. The desert of Sahara is the needless repetition, for Sahara means desert. Gibraltar is the mountain of Tarif, who with a Saracen army built a castle on the rock in the 8th century. In South Africa, Transvaal is the country beyond the Vale River, and Natal owes its name to the fact that it was discovered on Christmas, the Dies Natalis of Christ. We have already reached 10 minutes. I thank you for coming into Chambers and having this study with me. Again, peace and love to all of my brothers and sisters.